Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video over the resolution of the error Outlook couldn't start last time. Do you want to start it in safe mode? The same has been explained in this article on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link in the description section. This is what the error message would look like. When you click on yes, it would launch Outlook in the safe mode. However, if you have already clicked on no, here's how you can launch Outlook in the safe mode. Press Windows key plus R to open the run window. Type the command outlook space /save. Hit enter. Wait for the Outlook profile to load. It may need a few seconds. Once you have opened Outlook in safe mode, you can disable the add-ins. Click on File, select Options from the list on the left-hand side. Again, in the Outlook Options window, select Add-ins from the list on the left-hand side. Next to Manage, select COM Add-ins and click on Go. Now, uncheck all the add-ins to disable them and then click on OK. Now you have disabled all add-ins in Microsoft Outlook. Try restarting Outlook in the normal mode and check whether or not it works. It loaded in my case. If it doesn't load even after disabling the add-ins, you can choose to repair the data file. To do so, click on this PC in the File Explorer window. Go to C drive or whatever is your system drive. Go to Program Files x86. In my case, since it's Office 2019, the following path would be Microsoft Office, root, and then Office 16. In the Office 16 folder, I would check for the CanPST file. Here it is, and I will run it. Simply click on Start and follow the wizard to repair the Office client. However, in case you have different versions of Microsoft Office, the paths would be a little different. The same has been explained in this article. You can check it accordingly depending upon the version of Office. If everything else fails, you could consider creating a new Outlook profile. Since Outlook is not launching, launch it in safe mode once again. Wait for the profile to load. Then click on File, select Account Settings, go to Manage Profiles in the list, and you would notice a little window like this one as shown in this image, which would mention Outlook as a basic profile. Click on the Add button as shown here and select Apply and then OK. It will automatically start creating a new profile. Isn't this easy? If you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.